Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm your host Noor Sabah and you're watching Watch Pakistan. Saudi Arabia contracts. Pakistan and Saudi Arabia have recently strengthened their partnership through a series of major agreements and contracts. These deals cover defense, energy, infrastructure, investment, and workplace collaboration. One of the most important developments in this strategic mutual defense agreement signed in September 2025. Under this pact, any act of the aggression against one country will be treated as aggression against both. It makes a strict step in military strategic cooperation between Islamabad and Riyadh. Economically, Pakistan secured a $1.2 billion deferred oil payment facility from the Saudi Fund for Development. This deal allows Pakistan to import vital petroleum products without immediate payment, easing pressure on the country's economy and foreign reserve. On the development side, Saudi Arabia is financing a $41 million water supply project in Mansoura, providing clean drinking water to nearly 150,000 people with capacity to serve even more in the future. In addition, both nations signed 27 investment MOUs worth $2.2 billion across key sectors including agriculture, IT, energy, health, and education. Some of these MOUs have already been converted into the concrete contracts worth over $560 million. Another vital agreement relates Pakistani workplace. These two countries signed contracts for work recruitment and skill verification, ensuring better opportunities for Pakistani labor in Saudi Arabia while protecting their rights and improving employment standards. Together, these agreements highlight the depth of the Pakistani-Saudi relationship. For Pakistan, they mean economic relief, infrastructure development, and employment opportunities. For Saudi Arabia, they strengthen strategic defense ties to open pathways for skilled manpower and investment partnership. This is the series of the contract is not just a paperwork, it's a roadmap for a stronger long-term partnership between these two nations. So that's all for today. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.